Hey guys, we're back. Got a nice fiberglass top here. This is an Impulse series by ARE. It's cab high fiberglass. Fits the 99-06 Chevy and GMC with a 6.5 foot bed. White in color, Summit white. Got a couple of small nicks in it, but nothing really too bad on this one. Does have a hook eyelet mounted to the top of it. I'm guessing that's for the previous owner to take it off his truck bed and maybe hang it in his barn or his garage or whatever. But that's that there. It's in really good shape actually on this side. Has the sliding window on the side. Bottom edge is in really good shape. Not a lot of nicks or scratches down there. Half side sliders on the side. Front does have a couple nicks on it. Right there on the paint. Looks like maybe it was stood up on its edge or something here. Couple small nicks there. Picture window in the front. Does have the half side slider on this side as well. A little bit of paint damage right here on the corner, right there. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty good shape all the way down through there. A little bit of paint damage right there on the corner there. Top's looking good, other than that hook on the top there. Does have the single T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Just have a small hole in the screen right there, and then right there is another one. This side of the screen looks pretty good. Not seeing any damage on the screen on this side. There it is. It's cab high fiberglass. ARE Impulse. It's a 99-06 Chevy and GMC's trucks, full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot short bed. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can see what location it's at, how much it is, information like that, how to purchase it online if you'd like to do that. Also a link to our unit, or to our website in general. So if you're looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, deck units, bed storage solutions, things like that, that's all available online on our website as well. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You will need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thank you for watching.